In a world where beauty standards are constantly evolving, the pressure to look perfect can feel overwhelming. From flawless skin to perfectly sculpted brows, the beauty industry bombards us with images of what we should aspire to. But what if I told you that you can look naturally beautiful without a drop of makeup? Yes, it's true. With a few simple tips and tricks, you can enhance your natural beauty and feel confident in your own skin. First and foremost, taking care of your skin is essential. A good skincare routine can make all the difference in how your skin looks and feels. Cleansing, toning, and moisturizing daily can help keep your skin clear and hydrated. Don't forget to exfoliate regularly to remove dead skin cells and reveal a fresh, glowing complexion. And always remember to wear sunscreen to protect your skin from harmful UV rays. Eating a healthy diet can also have a big impact on your skin. Foods rich in antioxidants like fruits and vegetables can help fight free radicals and keep your skin looking youthful. Drinking plenty of water is also crucial for maintaining hydrated, healthy skin. And don't forget to get enough sleep. A well-rested complexion is a beautiful complexion. When it comes to hair, less is often more. Embracing your natural hair texture can save you time and effort in the long run. Instead of constantly heat styling or chemically treating your hair, try letting it air dry or using minimal products to enhance its natural beauty. Regular trims can help keep your hair healthy and prevent split ends. And don't forget to protect your hair from damage by using heat protectant sprays and avoiding excessive brushing or pulling. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle can also help you look naturally beautiful. Regular exercise can improve circulation and give your skin a healthy glow. Getting outdoors and enjoying nature can also boost your mood and make you feel more radiant. And don't underestimate the power of a positive attitude. Confidence and self-love are the most beautiful accessories you can wear. When it comes to fashion, choose pieces that make you feel comfortable and confident. Dressing in clothes that flatter your body shape and reflect your personal style can make a big difference in how you feel about yourself. Don't be afraid to experiment with different looks and colors until you find what makes you feel your best. And finally, remember that beauty comes in all shapes, sizes, and colors. Embrace your unique features and celebrate what makes you different. Don't compare yourself to others or strive for an unattainable standard of beauty. True beauty comes from within, and when you feel confident and comfortable in your own skin, that radiance will shine through. So, the next time you're tempted to reach for that tube of concealer or that bold lipstick, remember that you are naturally beautiful just the way you are. Embrace your natural beauty and let your inner light shine. You are enough, just as you are.